Hello everyone, welcome to session number 8 on your UPSC EPFO journey. Today's session we would be targeting circular arrangement as part of logical reasoning. Chalo, I'll give you the basic idea and the roadmap how to approach a problem on circular arrangement as well. So we have a question which says 8 chairs are placed at uniform distance from each other around a round table. So 8 is our number. They are seated around this circle at uniform distance, equidistant from one another. So I can take this as north, south, east, west, four directions, northeast, northwest, southeast, and all of these. तो आप देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 पोजिशंस आपके आ गए. Now I'll come to this question, but before that, let me give you a rough idea onto how to place these elements based on the elements present. जैसे if you have 4 persons, this 4 persons seated around this could be 1 2 3 4 equidistant. 1 2 3 4. Important ये है that the person sitting around these table can be facing the center or they may choose to face away from the center. ये बहुत unlikely होता है. आप सोच के देखो. If you have a round table in front of you, what is the normal way at which you would sit around this round table? Your face should be facing the center of the table. This is our normal. What is unlikely? That we sit away from the center or opposite the center. Opposite the center and facing the center. बहुत बड़ा key factor है ये part. How? See. If I take the first into consideration that they are facing the centers. Who is to the immediate right of A? Immediate right of A is D because A is facing the center. इसका right hand side इस तरफ होगा, इसका left hand side इस तरफ होगा. जैसे who is to the immediate right of C? तो right hand would be this side B and left hand would be this side, so D. Immediate left, immediate right. But in the same question, अगर ये arrangement given है that they are facing opposite the center, and then I ask you who is to the immediate right of A, तो इस केस में right B आ जाएगा, left A आ जाएगा. And if here we have C and they are facing away from the center, who's to the immediate right of C? Immediate right of C is D, immediate left of C is B. ये चेंजेस हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं, है ना, द लेफ्ट एंड द राइट. नाउ इन द सेम format, if I need to place 8 elements, 1 2 3 4, these are always opposites, then 1 2 3 4, इस तरीके से I can place 8 persons equidistant to one another around a circle. Now coming back to our question, C and D are equal distance away from both A and B. C और D दो लोग हैं and they are always at equal distance from both A and B. अगर A और B आस पास हैं, now you place C anywhere. Let's say you place C here. तो B से वो 1 step दूर है, A से वो 2 steps दूर है. ये एलिमेंट, ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये गलत हो गया. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ओनली पॉसिबल, और आपको यहाँ पे स्मार्ट होना पड़ेगा दैट लुकिंग एट द स्टेटमेंट आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लो वो क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है. दिस स्टेटमेंट हियर मीन्स दैट C and D are opposite to one another and A and B are opposite to one another. C and D are at equal distance both from A and B. Yes, C is 2 steps away, D is also 2 steps away, 2 steps away, 2 steps away. So both of these elements are equal distance from 2 other elements. This is only possible when these two are opposites. The pairs are opposites to one another. तो ये opposite pairs की बात करता है, ध्यान रखना. Because if I just think on these things, तो मेरा time waste हो रहा है. I have to be smart here. Looking at this part, I can quickly say that okay, these four are opposites. Now, E sits between A and C. A and C के बीच में E बैठ रहा है. All right. G and F sit opposite to each other. Can I place G here or F here? No, because they two needs to be opposite. The only vacant position for them is this G and F, or this could be F, this could be G, whatever it is. मतलब ये देखो ये दोनों चेंज कर सकते हैं, है ना, ये दोनों चेंज कर सकता है. Where does H sit? According to this arrangement, H can only be seated here. And H is actually adjacent to B or D. Adjacent means next. Keywords: adjacent, immediate, next, left or right. Adjacent is immediate. Neighbors क्या है? Adjacent. Now, adjacent to D. Yes, adjacent to D. This is true. Adjacent to A? No. Adjacent to F? No. Adjacent to G? No. Adjacent means immediate next. So all the remaining are wrong. Only option A is our correct fit. I hope you have a rough idea onto how to attempt problems on circular arrangement. And if this theory and the concept is clear, I'd request you to try this problem, which is part of data sufficiency, but it is asked as a circular arrangement problem. Give it a try. You have already done with the data sufficiency concept and you know the concept regarding circular arrangement. Waiting for your answers in the comment box. Chalo, alright, take care everyone. Happy learning.